In this video, you'll learn how to set automatic bidding on eBay. This feature allows you to enter your maximum bid amount and have eBay place incremental bids on your behalf, ensuring you remain competitive in auctions without constant monitoring. To begin, navigate to the auction listing of the item you wish to bid on. Locate the bid field, which is typically situated right below the item description. Here, enter your maximum bid amount. This is the highest price you are willing to pay for the item. Ensuring that you input an accurate bid is crucial as it prevents accidental overspending. Setting the realistic maximum helps you control your expenses effectively. Next, after entering your bid, click on the button that typically says place bid or confirm bid. Once you do this, eBay will record your bid in the auction history. You will receive notifications if you are outbid or if the auction is nearing its end. It is essential to monitor these notifications as they allow you to adjust your maximum bid if needed before the auction closes. Automatic bidding provides a significant advantage while allowing you the flexibility to make changes. After placing your bid, it is advisable to keep an eye on the auction status. You can do this by checking the auction listing periodically. If your maximum bid is surpassed by another bidder, eBay will notify you, allowing you to decide whether to increase your bid or let it go. This careful monitoring is key to avoiding any surprises that may arise as the auction progresses. Once the auction concludes, head over to my eBay to check the results of your bidding. If you have won the auction, it is important to proceed with payment promptly to secure your item. In case you are outbid, consider looking for similar items in upcoming auctions. Evaluating your bidding strategy after each auction can enhance your approach for future purchases. Efficient use of automatic bidding can save you time and maximize your chances of winning desired items. By setting your maximum bid correctly and staying informed throughout the auction process, you can navigate eBay auctions more effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.